Don't jump the gun, Meenakshi. Don't jump the gun, Mr. Yatin Oza. You have another judge, fellow lawyer here telling you. Keep it in perspective. You may have a Gujarat election, but don't jump the gun.
Can I come in? Hello? Can I come in?
Go in, go in. Yes, Meenakshi. Please come in.
What I'm trying to say is nobody is jumping the gun. Nobody is unfamiliar with the process of law. One understands all these things, and all one is saying is if the facts of a particular incident are there on the paper, need to be appreciated. Each one has its own right to form their own opinion. This is my opinion, need not be your opinion or Teesta's opinion. You can have your own opinion and court will have its own opinion. That's a fair chance we have to give to the court also. I mean, nobody is questioning court's authority to go into the detail or whatever. SIT report is in front of us. As of now, SIT report is before, and SIT report has brought on record whatever evidence was there. Gulbarga Society was conducted by...
I now have with me Mr. Tanveer Jaffrey. 1 minute. Let's widen the debate tonight. I have with me Mr. Tanveer Jaffrey tonight, who is the son of Mr. Ehsan Jaffrey. Mr. Tanveer Jaffrey, we have Yatin Oza tonight, we have Meenakshi Lekhi and Vikas Singh. We also have Siddharth Nath Singh, who is still on the debate. All of them have been debating this issue. Yatin Oza and Meenakshi Lekhi seem to argue that this is a clean chit for Narendra Modi. What is your take?
Just go back 4 or 5 months back. Yeah, hello, can you hear me? Hello?
Please continue, Mr. Jaffrey.
Hello? Yes, 12th September 2011, when the Supreme Court gave a direction to SIT to submit the report to the magisterial court in Gujarat and Ahmedabad. At that time also, all those who wanted to consider the clean sheet, they were considering the clean sheet and were tweeting certain things on the network also. I told that day also, okay, report is now in fact being asked to be given to a magistrate, as per the constitution provision, inquiry will be open to public and to me also, to a complainant also. Till now, it was a report which was being prepared by a state. It was a one-way affair. We had submitted them the evidences, and they were looking into that. Now, with what stand they have taken in that is there in the report. Now, the report is with the magistrate, and we have option. They will have to call us and hear us before they take any decision on this report. And it is in fact starting of a case, I would say, where we are now will be party to whatever decision the magistrate takes. And if we are unhappy with the decision, or if we don't, we can go to the High Court and Supreme Court for with that on that particular decision. So it is now in a public domain. This report will come, and each and every evidences which we have submitted to them, that will come before the public, and we will see what stand SIT has taken and what stand the magistrate take, and we will be having option to go and fight this matter again in the High Court and Supreme Court. So the matter now starts in the public domain. It is a clean sheet you are talking about.
So what would you say to Mr. Yatin Oza? What would you say to Mr. Yatin Oza, who is on Newshour tonight, and who has been arguing that those who do not take what the SIT report is saying at face value undermine the credibility of the SIT, of the institution, of the individuals who are in the SIT, and have political motives? That is what Mr. Yatin Oza has said. I want you to speak directly to Mr. Yatin Oza tonight so I can get his response. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll tell you, Yatin Oza should understand that what has happened in the Supreme Court. The complaint had gone, my mother's complaint had gone to them. They have appointed an investigator agency which has investigated the case, and they had then put a amicus curiae in the picture, who has also opined on whatever has been investigated by the investigation agency. And they have asked, as per the provision of 173(2) of the Indian Penal Code, that you submit it to the magisterial court and let him take a decision on that after hearing the complainant. So there is a question of judgment. Who has given the judgment? Had been the judgment, then Supreme Court would have said, okay, there is a clean sheet, nothing to be done further. There is no question of
why are you jumping the gun?
Not there. Judgment is not given. It has been come now for a judgment in front of the magisterial court, where the matter will be opened in the public. domain that I will get the copy of that report and I can comment on that. I can fight for the whatever is there in the report.
I just want a pointed rebuttal from Yatin Oza, and then I'd like to bring in the earlier point which Meenakshi Lekhi raised to Teesta Setalwad before Teesta Setalwad walked out of the news. Yatin Oza, would you like to respond directly to Tanveer Jaffrey tonight? Yes.
I am in partial agreement with what he says. His contentions, his observations, his criticism is understandable. He is a direct sufferer and my sympathy is to him. But the whole question today is that others who have no concern with this matter have hijacked this issue. Right from 2002 by forming an NGO who have no concern with Gujarat. Where were they when Gujarat faced worst floods in 2000 and worst disaster in 2001? All of a sudden forms an NGO and hijacks the cause of the others. If Mrs. Jaffrey or my friend Mr. Jaffrey
accusing him of something, accuse him directly.
Do it.
Because
it is understandable.
Clearly, you are saying
it is understandable. But how is Mukul Sinha?
Make the motive
how is Mukul Sinha?
Mr. Tanveer Jaffrey to respond. Don't put a shroud over your accusations. You make them directly, he'll respond to you.
Pardon? I can't hear you now. I'm sorry. I can't hear you now.
No, I'm saying you are alleging something. You're insinuating something. What are you insinuating?
No, I'm not alleging. I'm not alleging. I'm saying that this whole game plan right from 2002 is not to help out and reach out to the victims, but to achieve something else. Did I ever object to what Mr. Jaffrey said?
What?
My sympathies are with him. But please appreciate that instead of putting forth the cause of these people, not only Mr. Jaffrey, Hindus or Muslims who innocents have been killed, the entire focus is taken off the record to absolutely useless issues. And
no, this is your
gunpoint
perception
at a particular gentleman.
The strong language. One second, Mr. Jaffrey, please respond. That you are taking the focus away by
focusing
Mr. Jaffrey,
on this
Gulbarga issue, you are taking away from the real issues of relief and rehabilitation. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. Let him reply, sir. I request you. Yes, Mr. Jaffrey.
What's with the question? What is the question? Please you repeat.
Question. Basically, he says that this focus of this NGO is raising what he describes as useless issues, whereas the real issues of relief and rehabilitation are not being focused on. That, I think, is the gist of what Mr. Yatin said. No,
then I would like to bring to the notice. Now see that
let 1 minute.
They are dragging.
I said my heartfelt sympathy to Mr. Jaffrey and all alike.
Yeah, that's all right. But you went on to say all that. No. Okay. He also says he has his heartfelt sympathies. Fine. Okay.
Speaking for myself.
Okay.
Speaking for myself, I would stand with him.
You made that point initially.
Others have hijacked.
Now let him respond, sir. Please let him respond, sir.
Yes.
Let him respond, sir. Yeah.
Let's see. Look at the when we talk about the relief in rehabilitation. Look at the whole incidence of compensation. When the compensation was declared by the central government, it came and it was sent back, saying that there are no takers. And again, we had to go to the Supreme Court to get that compensation back. And then earlier it was given X rupees and then it was multiplied by 10 times. Now this happened in Gujarat. Now where is the question of relief and rehabilitation coming directly from the government? It was no question. We had to fight even for that. The second thing, that this matter is in the court, and if certain NGOs are helping us and they are with us, and they are only with us as far as our criminal case is concerned. There is nothing else other than that. What is wrong in some NGOs coming and providing us a help? We would say that there are so many NGOs in India, like case of RSS, they are providing so many help and doing so much work. You would say that it is wrong?
Meenakshi Lekhi said earlier on news, before you came in, Mr. Jaffrey, she said that your mother is being propped up politically, if I am not mistaken. Right, Meenakshi Lekhi?
No, I
You
didn't
said that
say
Zakia Jafri
I
is being
didn't say
propped up
that.
by political
I
forces.
didn't say that. Arnav,
No.
Arnav,
Nobody should
let
say
me
this.
Let
Nobody
me
should say this.
Let me correct. Let me correct you. I didn't say she's been propped up. I
you
said
find
she has
out.
suffered,
You let them
and
bring
her,
any kind of.
and her
you let
position
them
has
bring
been
anything.
taken advantage
How any
of
political party
by
is propping
political
us.
people.
You let them. If
I'll
today,
tell you how.
if
Can I
today
come in?
this
saying
matters
that
of,
Can I
if
come
She's
in?
saying, one minute, she clarifies.
Hello,
She says your
listen to
mother,
me, listen
your
to me.
mother is being taken advantage of by political parties. That's what she's saying.
No, which political party? You let her, which political party and how? You let her explain. She cannot make such baseless,
I'll explain. Can I
baseless
explain?
allegation against my mother. We are
Can
a
I
victim
explain?
of that, and
No,
if
no,
some
no.
people
No
have come to
allegations.
NGOs,
I'm sorry, no
how do you
allegations
say that
against your
it
mother.
is?
I'll tell you
then,
how.
which party has taken
I'll
up
tell you.
this? You tell me how.
Teesta Seetalwad is the same person who's part of NAC, National Advisory Council to Sonia Gandhi directly. Teesta Seetalwad is the same person whose NGO is getting money from Middle East directly. Teesta Seetalwad's own husband,
No, one second. These are
Javed Anand, has
there is
written in
there is
Indian
no direct
Express
accusation.
that
One
she
second.
is.
One second. You cannot make an unsubstantiated allegation.
Best
And tonight, at least,
any
one second.
Muslim can have.
We must be
I'll
fair.
tell you.
Teesta Setalwad has walked out of the newsa. She's not here to respond directly.
She can
to
walk
you
out.
tonight.
She can
She's
choose
walked
to
out
walk
of the
out.
newsa. It will not be fair in her absence to allow you to make the allegations against Teesta.
Yeah,
You tell
She
me
will
tonight.
never be in front of me.
You
I'll
still
never be
think
able
she's
to
being,
say what I want to
Zakia
tell her.
Jafri family
no.
is being used and pushed politically. If you say so,
Absolutely, they have
if
been
you
used.
say so, tell me.
They have been used. They have
No, I
suffered
don't
and they have
agree with
been
that.
used.
These are baseless.
Okay,
As
fine.
now,
You may not
now see
agree.
what has happened.
If you had agreed, you
Tanvir
would be
Jafri,
used.
please respond,
Mr.
please.
Jafri, if you
We
agreed
don't-
with
we
me,
don't agree.
you will not be used then.
Nah, why should I agree? Why should I agree with such a baseless remark?
You
It is
don't
for the
have
first
to.
time
I'm not
in Indian
expecting you
history
to
that we
agree.
have, I don't believe you, and neither it is a false allegation because you don't have
Don't
anything
have
to
to.
now say.
This is my
it is a matter
opinion.
which why? It is a matter has come to the court now, magisterial court, and we will see what is there in the report
Absolutely.
and how do you address those issues.
Absolutely.
Then why you are worried about it?
Absolutely.
Why you are
I am not
bringing down the
worried.
Congress
I
party
am
in
not
that?
worried.
That
I'm
it is
not
your worry,
worried. I'm
therefore
not
you have
worried
started
at all.
allegation, putting allegation against my mother.
No
Yes, that is what your
allegation.
worry
No
is. Then
allegation.
let
This
us
is a
find the
matter
case
of
in-
fact, Mr. Jafri.
No, there
This
is
is a
absolutely
matter
not
of
true. It
fact.
is the first time that I am suddenly,
was
I am hearing that
massacred by a
now you are telling us
congressman,
this.
and your mother has made contrary statements.
No, I did not get you. What my mother has made a
Well,
statement?
I think that
Contrary statement to the investigation, what happened in Gulbarga society.
We cannot settle this issue. I want to ask you,
There
Mr.
cannot be two point of views to the
Tanvir
same
Jafri
fact.
tonight. Mr. Tanvir Jafri, I want to just stay on, please. We also have tonight. We are joined. We are going to be joined by another guest. Mr. Shakti Singh Goyal actually is with us tonight from Ahmedabad. He's the leader of the opposition. Shakti Singh Goyal, all kinds of charges being made here tonight, including some people are saying that there are political forces which are behind all this, behind pushing this particular case. Your response, please.
Getting my voice.
તમને ત્યાંનું આવે છે
મને ત્યાંનો જ મળે છે ખાલી.
સર
Can I hear
Mr.
my
Goyal?
Can you hear my voice?
Can you hear
I'm sorry,
me?
I think there is something wrong with your sets.
Yeah.
I can hear you, but I think you are not able to hear my voice.
Please continue, sir. Please continue.
મહેન્દ્ર બોલ રહા
Yes. Now, what was your question?